Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new vlog video. And in this video, I would like to say something about in this place. Okay, so let's get start this video. So today, actually, I have come here and another kind of place, and this place actually tourism place, and so that is why I have come here and with my friend and. Actually, this place very amazing and very mesmerizing place. And when I visit this place, and this place actually very mind blowing, and I take so many photos, and I already made 3 videos, and on real videos, and 2 long videos, and also now I'm going to home. And so actually this place public place, because I couldn't make any blog video and public places. And today, so as you can see, so many peoples, they have come here for enjoy feel moment. So that is why so many person they have come here. And also I have come here for mind refresh when I visit this place. Okay, so now I'm walking on the path. So this actually this field around like a all side actually 50 or 100, like 200 bigger, I think. Very big place. And another place on like a bill, it's very big, like 10 kilometer distance all around site. Okay, so now it is time 6 6 p.m. and sun almost setting now. And so actually my English not good quality nowadays, because I can't practice every day. So and today I have get free time, so that is why I make a blog video. Okay, so dear friends, so actually if you visit this place, and this place so very good, and if you also visit this place, you will come visit. And so they are brothers, and now I'm going to home. Okay, so as we can see, there are so many buffalo, and they are eating grass beside the small canal, and those are on big trees. These trees, I don't know what kind of tree. Actually, I think it's a. Oh, I don't know actually this tree around from here, and this tree so far. So that is why I can't think that. Okay. So and also on two buffaloes, they are eating grass. Okay. So actually, when I start learning English journey, at that time my English so not good, and now I am very excited, because I am making blog video every moment like public place, and I don't hesitate when I make video.